The Los Angeles Chargers take their 1-0 record to Detroit this week, where the Lions are waiting after coming off a tie with the Cardinals. Our NFL media panel will provide you with 3 predictions, but first, let's quickly cover some keys you can follow as you watch. For the Chargers, they can attack Detroit's defense with their new two-headed monster at running back.
Ekeler inside his blocks, 40, 35, still on his feet, and gonna go the rest of the way! 55 yards.
Austin Ekeler ran for 58 yards on 12 carries. That's 4.8 yards per carry. And when he wasn't in, Justin Jackson went for 57 yards on just 6 carries. That's 9.5 per pop. Detroit's front, meantime, was hit for just under 5 yards a carry, so they may be vulnerable on the ground. Ekeler and Jackson eased any fears about Melvin Gordon not being around, and imagine how dangerous Phillip Rivers will be this year if they maintain that level of play. He looked like the same old Phillip last week, 333 yards passing.
Rivers steps up, throwing, inside the 5, caught, touchdown, Keenan Allen.
To the Lions side of things, they have to get better on third down. Against the Cardinals, who are not considered to have a great D, they managed just 6 conversions on 18 attempts. Matthew Stafford had a nice day if you glance at his line. 385 passing yards, 3 TDs, no picks, and his rookie tight end J.JACKSON HOCKENSON had an amazing debut with 6 receptions, 131 yards, and a score.
And Stafford still looking, and he lofts one, and is caught for the touchdown! And it's Hockenson.
But failing on 2 out of every third down attempts won't get it done. Chargers in Detroit, CBS, 4 p.m. Eastern. Now let's see who our panel is picking for the win.
Stafford gets time, can do what he wants, goes underneath and walking in is Golladay for the touchdown.